Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC on your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. So basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. So let's get started by use the application. You need to open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. And right here we have the left side noise cancellation. So firstly you need to put your earbuds to your ears, and then you can tap on it and disable it. And enable it, sorry. To disable it you need to swap to ambient sound, or you can click also at the ambient sound or ANC and return to the normal mode. Now to use a gesture we need to use touch areas on your left earbud, and touch areas usually located at the top, but I tested and I can also tap at the bottom and I will use it. So you need to press 2 times at the left earbud. And if you use normal mode, firstly you will swap to transparency mode, so 1, 2. And as you can see I just enable transparency, and then I can 2 times press at my left earbud and I will enable ANC. And now we use ANC. To disable it, you need to also press 2 times, and after ANC you will return to the normal mode. 1, 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.